Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into an exciting and evolving topic that has the camera community buzzing, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III. With fresh leaks, insider whispers, and emerging spec sheets surfacing almost daily, this full-frame mirrorless camera is poised to become one of Canon's top-tier hybrid shooters for 2025. Let's unravel every important detail: display changes, autofocus upgrades, video shooting power, and how it compares with both its predecessor and other rivals in the ever-growing mirrorless market. OLED display revolution, a much-needed upgrade. One of the most notable enhancements on the R6 Mark III is a major redesign of the display. Canon is rumored to be finally embracing OLED touchscreen technology, a long-awaited move that could change the game for videographers and content creators alike. Unlike the traditional LCD screens of older Canon models, this new OLED panel may deliver richer contrast, deeper blacks, and more accurate colors, making it perfect for creators working in color-critical environments or shooting in bright sunlight. The fully articulated vari-angle hinge is also rumored to be redesigned, taking cues from Sony's A7 RV with a hybrid tilt-swivel mechanism. This makes it more versatile for vlogging, low-angle compositions, or framing shots for YouTube or social content. Whether you're a solo shooter, lifestyle creator, or filmmaking enthusiast, the improved display ergonomics alone could make this camera feel refreshingly modern. EVF performance and eye-tracking adjustments. While there's speculation that Canon might skip advanced eye-tracking AF to keep pricing in check, the OLED electronic viewfinder is expected to stay sharp, vibrant, and fast, offering a fluid shooting experience with reduced lag. It's still great news for photographers capturing fast-paced action, weddings, or wildlife. Although the R6 Mark may not feature the elite-level AI detection found in Canon's flagship models, such as the R5 or R3, its dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system is more than capable, offering reliable subject tracking, real-time detection, and smooth focus transitions across both still and video modes. Imaging power, sensor and processing refinements. Here's where things get particularly exciting. Leaks suggest that the R6 Mark III will feature a new 24-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, representing a slight but meaningful upgrade over the 20MP sensor in the R6 Mark II. This should provide improved image detail, enhanced cropping flexibility, and a wider dynamic range, while maintaining superb low-light performance. Pair that with Canon's latest Digic X Plus image processor and an improved in-body image stabilization system capable of up to 8.5 stops, and you're looking at clean, sharp, stabilized results even in less than ideal shooting scenarios. Whether you're working handheld for street photography or filming in motion, this camera seems built for creative agility. Burst speed and autofocus, built for the fast lane. In a bold move to attract sports and wildlife photographers, Canon might enable 30 frames per second burst shooting in 14-bit RAW using the electronic shutter. This is a serious jump in performance that positions the R6 Mark III among the fastest mirrorless cameras in its price bracket, although it's unclear whether a mechanical shutter option will match that speed. The minimal rolling shutter artifacts being hinted at suggest Canon is pushing forward on the electronic shutter evolution, offering speed without sacrificing image quality. The dual-pixel autofocus system remains a highlight. Even if advanced eye tracking gets scaled back, its tracking accuracy for faces, animals, and even vehicles continues to be among the best in the business. Video features, a hybrid creator's dream for video creators, the Canon R6 Mark III might be the perfect middle ground between the R5 and Canon's cinema lineup. Here's what the latest leaks suggest: Cinema 4K at 120 fps, 6K at 30 frames per second in Cinema Raw Light, preserving dynamic range. 4K at 60 frames per second for buttery smooth cinematic video. CF Express Type B plus UHS-2 SD card slots for maximum recording speed. Full-size HDMI output, ideal for external monitors, recorders, or live streaming setups. This would make the R6 Mark III a serious tool for hybrid shooters, YouTubers, filmmakers, and travel vloggers who need one camera to do it all without the bulk or price of dedicated cinema gear. Smart tools and connectivity upgrades. In terms of modern workflow features, expect Canon to continue building on its UVC webcam functionality via USB-C, making it incredibly easy to use the R6 Mark III as a plug-and-play webcam for streaming or video conferencing. Other additions could include neural network-powered noise reduction for cleaner high ISO results, perfect for night photography or astrophotography. Updated wireless connectivity via Bluetooth 5.2 and Wi-Fi 6 for faster, more stable image transfers. Refined menu systems and custom function profiles, catering to both casual users and professional cinematographers. R6 Mark III versus R6 II. Is it a big enough leap? If you're already using the Canon EOS R6 Mark II, the Mark III might feel like an evolutionary upgrade rather than a revolutionary one. However, small changes like the OLED variangle screen, 30 frames per second burst mode, and Cinema 4K 120 unlock significant workflow improvements, especially for content creators and professionals who need to stay agile without investing in a flagship. But if you're coming from older DSLR bodies like the 6D Mark II or EOS 5D series, or even the first-gen R6, this upgrade is much more profound, offering next-level image stabilization, powerful burst capabilities, and cinematic video specs that feel like a completely new creative toolbox. Expected price and launch window. Although Canon hasn't officially confirmed anything, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III is rumored to launch sometime in late 2025, with a projected price between $2,500 to $2,800 USD. This places it squarely in the high-performance, yet accessible zone, cheaper than the Canon R5 but delivering a significant punch for pros and enthusiasts alike. Final take, a strong contender in 2025's mirrorless race. The Canon R6 Mark III, if these rumors hold true, is shaping up to be one of the best mid-range hybrid mirrorless cameras of 2025. It offers a compelling mix of professional-grade video specs, top-tier autofocus, and a creator-friendly OLED interface. Whether you're a documentary filmmaker, event photographer, travel vlogger, or hybrid YouTube creator, this camera checks a lot of boxes without breaking the bank.